I've been thinking a lot about decisions this week and how always in a big decision, I want someone to tell me what to do. I want someone to tell me that I made the right decision. I don't trust myself. I want someone to tell me that everything is going to be okay. But life isn't like that, and I must keep reminding myself of that. I must remind myself that there sometimes isn't a right or wrong decision. There's just my decision. I can't always know what choices will lead to what outcomes. All I can do is be sure that I used all the information available to make the best decision. Whether it's right or wrong can only be known by me, and that if I made it with my heart full of compassion and caring and common sense, then it is indeed correct. In order to make a decision, I tend to put myself through agony of exhausting every option. And although this might be a good decision-making process, I continually feel myself second-guessing and revisiting all the exhausted avenues multiple times in order to attempt to feel at peace with the final outcome. So I ask myself, what can I do to help myself? I can reduce the amount of small decisions I make on a daily basis. I do this by staying organized and planning ahead. What will I wear to work tomorrow? What will we have for dinner tonight? These things can all be organized and planned to an extent so that I can save my energies for the bigger, weightier decisions in life. Don't misunderstand me. I do not always know what I am having for dinner or what I am wearing, but trying to eliminate some of the smaller decisions really helps save my energy level throughout the week. Looking back, I would not have told anyone that I am a great decision maker. However, I continue to remind myself that I have made good decisions. It has, like anything else, been a learning process. I had to make mistakes and bad decisions in order to learn. It's part of life. I remind myself to be gentle. I tried my best, and isn't that all anyone can ask? A poem by Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu is called Always We Hope. Always we hope someone else has the answer, some other place will be better, some other time it will all turn out. This is it. No one else has the answer. No other place will be better, and it has already turned out. At the center of your being, you have the answer. You know who you are, and you know what you want. There is no need to run outside for better seeing, nor to peer from a window. Rather abide at the center of your being. For more you leave it, the less you learn. Search your heart and see the way to do is to be.